How do, and welcome to Josh's engineering segment. What I'll be doing today is stuff and nonsense and words. That's just how I'm going to describe it. You're currently sat on a scratch built, well, I say scratch built, the top part of it is scratch built, a railway truck that I'm currently, it used to work in a kiln somewhere near Bishop Auckland. I don't know which one, but I bought it on eBay. Well, I bought a pair of them on eBay for I think 120 quid, and I'm slowly bringing them back to working condition. I've got a railway engine and all that I'm slowly doing up. That's over there, I'll show you. There's that. Hang on, I can't see camera. Well, there's the railway engine. That's a little Wingrove and Rogers WR5. Now, the controller, these things are worth about, I don't know, but for a new one, you're roughly, from Clayton, you're roughly paying about £15,000, I think the lady said. But I bought this off a friend down in Gloucestershire. Now, he works on a tiny little railway, it's so cute. I'll tell you the name, and I'll link, well, I'll try to link a description video in comments and whatnot to show you videos of the railway at work. So there's the motor. There, look, lovely great big blue motor. Oh, that's sticky. There's the frames, wheels and all nonsense, and look, a little addition that I've added. Little doorbell button, push it and it horns. Because these things weren't really fitted with horns, they were fitted with bells and things. But if I stand on footplate and show you, this is your forward and reverse. It's not going to work because the battery's not on. But grab the lever and open it up. This is slowly being done up. It was bright yellow when I got it. And this is going to be my number one engine. Hopefully I might be able to get another one eventually. But every person like me needs an assistant. Now, you may think I'm waffling, and I am, because I get bored easy. Now, this here is my jolly good assistant, Jeff. He's got what every good person needs. Oil and duct tape. Now, reason behind that is, if it moves, and it shouldn't, duct tape. If it doesn't move and it should, oil. There you go. Simple. Right, so there's the intro. Whoops. I'll pick that up before I get told off. Oh! Problem solved. Towel fell off the line. It's not mine, it's my neighbour's. This is my garden, but I live in flats, you see. But, right, so what we're doing today is welding some stuff. Look, it's flappy. And this will sit with door on it. Well, I'll have two there, two at the bottom, and these two here. See, these are door. Oh shit! No. These are the door. Now under here, there's going to be a drop-down door. So if I load it up with ballast and coal and stuff, I can open that door and just empty it out. Now, there's my milk churn. And my camera holding box. It's a cat food box cut into bits and duct taped together. Right, now then. Right, I'll plug everything in and get back to you. Hang on, I'll put you here. And I'll be wearing my proper equipment and stuff. And everything will be plugged in. Right, see you in a minute. Right, I'm back. Get the gloves on. Now then, I'm going to grind the metal, then I'm going to weld them. I'm not very good at welding, because I've only had this thing, 3 or 4 days. But I've done a fair bit of welding, and I'm shit at it. But I'm going to grind the metal down first, so it's got something to, so the power can get through it. So, here we go. I cannot hold it at the same time, but you'll see sparks and all sorts. Right, goggles on. There we go. Right, now unclamp that, and there goes the hinge. Ah, there's that done. Did you like that? No, I cannot say that. Oh, that was homage to a bloody great man. Really bloody great. That's, you know, he's inspired me to do this. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2004. Great man called Fred Dibner. Oh, clamp this back on. Make sure it's level with the other one. There we go. That's close enough. Right. Clamp that on. Come on. There we go. Get myself a welding rod. And I might actually go and put you over by Jeff because this might be a bit bright for camera. Put you by Jeff. You can watch from here. There we go. Can you see that? There we go. Aye. Right, I'll be over here. Don't tip the camera over, Jeff. Thing in here, like that, well, goes on, that's on, and away we go. Oh heck, well, when I finally get the hang of it. One, two, whoops, get off it. Okay. Off. Right, there, that's all welded on now. Well, that was a 2-minute job, and that's a very, very crap weld. But if I'm correct in thinking, it might still be hot enough to light a fag on. So let's try that. Do not do this. You know, I'm an idiot, so I don't follow rules when it comes to this stuff. So, it's not hot enough to do it, so anyway, I'll light a fag and you'll see how I do in part 2. Good day, people. Did you enjoy that? Because if you did, like and subscribe, and you'll see the other nonsense that I get up to. Goodbye, chaps and chapettes.